911 emergency.
Hi, I'm at the Acuna Motel right here on Brookers and and Crescent. Somebody just got shot in the parking lot.
Do you know how many?
Please hurry up.
Is the shooter still there?
The people that shot, yeah, they're still here. Yes. And the guys in the parking lot, I say, please hurry up.
Is the person down?
Yeah, no, he's standing up, but he's holding his stomach.
Okay. Is the shooter still there?
Yes.
The guy with the gun, is he white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not going to walk up to it.
Did you see him get shot?
Yeah, I heard it. He just walked out of the car and the car's still parked there. Yes, I heard it.
He was in the vehicle when he was shot?
Yeah, he was. He just walked out of it.
Okay, what type of vehicle was he in?
It's in a white truck. Can you please just send somebody quick? He's standing right there. The people are still there.
The victim. Ma'am, listen, they're driving there. I'm just trying to get some information for the officers. Was the victim in the white truck?
It's a girl. It's a guy with glasses driving. A white guy with glasses. I don't know what the fuck. I'm not gonna keep fucking looking all straight. They're panicking and they're about to drive off.
The male white with the glasses. He was the shooter.
I don't know. He looks white, and I don't know. The guy was with him. He's still here. Maybe he could tell you. He's holding his stomach. He just said something. I don't know anything. He just said if I could call you guys, and that's it. I'm just letting you know they're about to drive off.
And it's a female driver?
It's a male with glasses. He's white.
Okay, but what I'm asking you is the guy with the glasses the one that got shot?
They're both wearing glasses.
Okay. The guy that was the shooter, what color shirt is he wearing?
I don't know. He didn't come out.
He's still in the vehicle?
Yeah, he's about to walk out. He walked up to the guy he shot, and he's like asking him questions. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but the guy's holding his stomach. He just said somebody. They're leaving in a white truck.
Can you get a license plate on the truck?
I didn't. But they're walking. They're just driving out. The cop just passed him.
Okay. Did he go right or left out of the parking lot? Did the truck turn right or left out of the parking lot?
I think the cop's gonna.
You say you're doing a great job. Are you able to tell me if he turned right or left out of the parking lot?
Shooter, male, white glasses, still in a white truck. Everyone saying they don't know, and that they're leaving in a truck.
That way. Southbound with a male wearing glasses. White pickup truck.
Copy, a white picture of leaving southbound.
Who was it?
Copy, I was the victim.
Who shot you?
I don't know who's on.
Okay, sit down. Where'd they go?
They're running.
What kind of car did he get in? Did he leave?
I don't know. Please help. I need an ambulance now, bro.
What's that? Did he leave? Is he still here?
No, he left.
Suspect's VOA, can I get fire to come to my location at the hotel?
Unit eastbound Polk, northbound.
Exiting State College from the West 91.
Exiting State College from the 91.
He tried to spike him, but it didn't work, and now it's northbound State College from the freeway.
Northbound State College from the 91.
Southbound State College from Orangethorpe.
Southbound State College from Orangethorpe. 26 23 for Station 10, affirm. Unit still 91 at State College with strip.
123, 10-4. Driving the wrong way.
Wrong way.
State College from the 91 freeway.
Southbound State College from the 91.
313, we're now number 2.
26 313, number 2.
Back on the correct side of the road, southbound State College to move on the 35 miles per hour.
Right side of the road, southbound State College to Romney.
police car tried to pit, but that didn't work. We're southbound State College coming to La Palma.
Southbound State College approaching La Palma.
Southbound State College through La Palma. 35 miles per hour light traffic.
Southbound State College to La Palma, 35 miles an hour light traffic.
Southbound State College through Underhill, meeting a little bit of traffic. Stopped at a red light at Lincoln.
Southbound State College approaching Lincoln.
2637, can we call him in?
Someone requesting a unit to plug me.
26 but they tried to push him into the side of the street. That didn't work. We're southbound State College through Lincoln.
Continuing southbound State College through Lincoln.
Southbound through South Street.
Southbound State College through South.
Alright, this guy's like actively ramming people as he's trying to make his way through traffic.
Okay, pit him. Somebody get up there and pit him.
26, you're on 31, we copy. We're going to get it next opportunity.
Southbound through Vermont, those tires are coming apart.
Southbound State College through Vermont, tires coming apart.
Southbound State College through Ball Road, 30 miles per hour.
Alright, we're going for a pit.
Southbound State College through Ball, attempting pit.
Watch oncoming traffic. Southbound through Winston.
Southbound State College through Winston.
Under tire, just get him off.
Tire just came off the vehicle.
Yeah, when he crashes and runs, don't chase him. The police dog is going to. We're southbound State College through Catella.
Southbound State College through Catella.
He keeps driving into us when we go for the pit.
Southbound through Orangewood.
Southbound State College through Orangewood.
Right, he's trying to actively hit the units.
Suspect actively trying to hit the units.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive, 35 miles per hour light traffic.
Eastbound Memory from City Drive.
There's a pit on the Memory Drive over the riverbed. The car isn't quite immobilized yet.
Pit on the vehicle in the area of City Drive.
They have the back end of the pickup truck stopped, so they're 960 X-ray kind of, but the guy's on the gas trying to get away.
Attempting a 960X.
And a car to go to Memory and Bristol east of here and stop traffic there. This situation is still active. It looks like there's a shooting involved, so can you start the fire department?
10-4, we'll advise Station 31 and get medics.
Yeah, you can just have a fire department stage away. He's not in custody yet.
That's from we'll have him stage away.
There's a pit on Memory Drive over the riverbed. Car isn't quite.
Pin it.